I've been hearing more about Grange Insurance lately. They've been around for over 85 years, and they've built a reputation as a dependable regional insurer. But is Grange really worth considering, or just another company relying on history and tradition? Let's find out. Grange Insurance is a mutual company, which means it's owned by its policyholders. Their big promise is financial strength, reliable claim service, and the personal touch of working through independent agents. They cover auto, home, renters, condo, and business insurance, so they've got most of the basics covered. Here's how it works. If you're shopping for auto, Grange offers standard protections like liability, collision, and comprehensive, plus extras like roadside assistance and rental car reimbursement. For home insurance, you'll get dwelling, personal property, and liability coverage, with options like equipment breakdown and service line protection. Renters and condo owners can get tailored policies, and business owners can choose from packages that cover property, liability, and workers' comp. You typically connect through a local independent agent, but you can manage your policy, pay bills, and file claims online or through their mobile app. Now for the pros. First, financial strength. Grange has held an A rating from AM Best for 50 years straight, which is a huge indicator of stability. Second, claim service. They emphasize fast, fair handling, and even have tools like Easy Snap Claims that let you upload photos of car damage to speed things up. Third, customer care. Because they work with local agents, customers often get a more personal experience than with massive corporate insurers. And fourth, product variety. They cover both personal and business needs, making it easier to bundle policies. But there are some cons. Grange isn't available nationwide. It's offered in about 13 states, mostly in the Midwest and Southeast. If you live outside that area, you can't get coverage. Because they rely on independent agents, you may not get the fully direct app-first experience that some digital insurers provide. Pricing is competitive, but not always the cheapest, especially if you're shopping for bare-bones policies. And customer reviews are mixed. Many people praise their claims service, but some mention communication gaps or rate increases over time. So who's Grange really for? If you live in their coverage states, value working with a local agent, and want a company with a long history of financial stability, Grange is a strong option. But if you're chasing the absolute lowest premium or want everything handled through an app, you might look at other providers. My verdict? Grange Insurance strikes a nice balance. They've got history, financial muscle, and the personal service of local agents backed by solid digital tools. For families and small businesses in their footprint, that mix makes them worth considering. So what do you think? Would you trust Grange with your coverage? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all, and if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.